Today with Sleepy Hollow Repair, we're working on a 1999 Miata here, heavily modified, crank no start. We'll bring you along. Let's see what we find here. So right now we're checking the crank sensor here that we got 12 volts at it. We got a good ground. We got 12 volts at the crank sensor, and next we're gonna check the waveform of it. So we've back probed the camshaft position sensor here. We've got the black one on the ground, and we got the green one here on the signal wire. We got the U-scope, and what we noticed down here is it's never going down to 0 volts. So we took a test light on the battery ground on the negative here, and I just touched it on that signal wire while he was cranking it, and it started up. So I'm pretty sure that this is partially shorted. It's not going down to 0 low enough. The voltage just isn't going low enough. So it needs a new camshaft position sensor. So easy.